Right there. If you're on a gravel ride or a bike packing tour, you need to take some tools. I mean, you can get mechanical, you can get a flat tire, so you need stuff. In the old school, you have this small setup pack. You can put in tire, maybe CO2, tire levers, a few more other small things. But it's old school, it's hanging and it's jumping around on the back of your saddle. This is not so much onboard storage. It's the Bontrager Flat Pack. You've got a small package with some stuff, CO2, tire levers and some more stuff. You can just, it's very small and convenient, you can just stick it in the back of your shirt, but that's still not on board. There are, however, a few nice other possibilities, and one of the simplest is just a strap. I mean, you see it here. Just put a strap on, you can put a spare tire and tire levers on, so you got them on the frame, nothing to worry about. There are, however, a few nice inboard solutions, and then I'm not talking about like Tractor Specialized, who have a built-in storage room in the frame with a nice hatch. That's very cool, but inboard solutions you can use on any bike, and one of the coolest we think is this one, Giant. It's called the Giant Clutch Tool. It is CO2 cylinder pump head, and you need one of two adapters. You put the adapter on the inside of your fork and then stick in the whole thing with a mechanic. Just screw it and it's stick inside the steer tube of your frame, which is quite cool. This only works on round and tapered steer tubes. This one is actually too small. You need a oversized one. You can't use it on the new Fox 38 because that has an oval tube. So, but it's quite a clever solution for CO2 with a magnet and the turning, so it's actually very, very cool. Staying with Giant, they got another nice cool solution, which we think, and that is another clutch tool, but then the one for in the crank. You can just put it in the crank. There is a chain breaker in it. We've got a very nice and convenient small tool with it. Put the chain breaker in this place and you can just stick it into the frame, into the middle, and it sticks. There are a few adapters with it so you can make it more snap. It's absolutely cool solution. Another one of the clutch tools from Giant is this one, actually these ones. These are the ones you use for when you have a puncture on your tubeless tire. You can put on one of these famous bacon strips, so you know them, the brown ones. There they are. You put them in, make a hole into your tire, and it's already there. Stick it in your tire and you can fix your tire again. These ones fits nicely into the bar end. Actually quite cool, simple system. You just turn it and it locks, and get it out again if you want to. On the one hand you have the bacon strips, on the other hand you have the needle. When you can stick to bar end tools, we got this Granite tools, which is absolutely nice, CNC machined, also nice into for bar end. Fits in nicely. This one is a chain breaker, and here you have actually the same as the Giant, but these ones are combined. You've got the needle, and here you got even a tool to make the hole a bit bigger. If the bacon strip doesn't fit, you can really puncture your tire and put the bacon strip in. These ones are very cool, but actually I like this very much because it's a very cool small chain breaker. The only disadvantage is you need a 3mm Allen key to lock this in the end of the bar, at the bar end, so that's what you need. For the rest, absolutely cool tool. And then we have this one, which is actually one of the coolest and nicest design tools I've ever seen, the OneUp Components. But this has a butt with it. It is a quite tricky one. This one is designed to be in the steer tube. First of all, you can see you need the correct things to put it in. And the major issue here is you need, of course, the head-up system here to preload your stem and to preload the bearings. Point is, you have to use this one. You need to make threads into the inside of your steerer tube, and that is quite an operation. It's going well. OneUp Components comes with a nice tool set to do this, but it is a bit tricky. You have to do it right, you have to take your time for it, but it is an absolute cool solution to have this one into a steerer tube. Nothing to see, it will just function. You need the thread, of course, to preload the bearings, but once it's in, it's absolutely cool. So it's a very nice way to spare your tools inside the steerer tube. And then last but not least, one of the coolest we think is the Topeak Ninja Mountain. Absolutely brilliant solution because it just fits under your bottle case. It comes with a spare L-shaped system, and you can just turn this on the side, open it, and then there rolls out this absolutely super light and beautiful multi-tool which has the world. I mean, everything is available here. You got of course the chain breaker, you got various spoke keys, you got a tire lever, very important, a 10mm or 8mm Allen, which is vital for some crank bolts, otherwise you can't fix them on the way home. Lose it. And you got absolutely every Allen key you need, flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, you got two Torx, the T25 and T10, very nicely designed and small tool, just goes into here, just put it in, open it and take it away. Topeak, very cool tool. There you have it, 8 or 9 cool solutions for onboard storage. This is another cool tool. This is the Bontrager BITS, B-I-T-S, Bontrager Integrated Tool Solution, tool storage, which has a built-in tool which shoves into the head tube. There are some spaces here, there are 2 bolts delivered with the kit, so you can just remove the star nut, put this contraption in. You don't have to tap any threads into your steerer tube, just put this in, clamp it, jam it, and you got a nice tool with all the bits and a chain breaker, and it just fits into your steering tube. The Bontrager BITS BITS.